Kids are fascinated by clockwork toys and cannot resist the urge to explore and discover. With Winder app, you can design and print all kinds of creative clockwork toys. To get started, simply open the Winder and click Start. For first-time users, please select Download. You'll be presented with 3 different types of clockwork toys. Let's get started with Earth Spirits. At the bottom of the interface, a model library is presented. Choose a model you like and it'll be displayed in the preview area. To hide or show the clockwork, click the button on the right. Zoom in or out to check details. Rotate the model to check its overall effect. Click Initial to straighten the model. When you're done, click Tick to go to the Decoration Design interface. You can find plenty of decoration elements here. You can also add text to personalize your model. Select the elements you like and drag them onto the model. You can use these buttons to adjust the elements. Click Delete to delete the element you don't want. Click Undo to go to the previous step. If you want to change the color, just choose the one you like and click on the element. Click Tick to see the finished model. At the bottom you'll find 5 action buttons. When you're done, click the Print button to print your design. As for Rolling Gablins and Ocean Voyagers, all functions remain the same. Now let's create your own clockwork toy.